Was playing around with Mathematica and I was curious about something and I thought I would show it to you because I thought it was a pretty handy way to do some of your homework. I'll try and share tips and tricks with you throughout the semester as we go. But anyway, I was looking over here at question 1, and it's a question about converting a density of a material from slugs per cubic foot to SI units. And so if you come over here, I'll show you again what I've done. But if you notice, you can actually use units in Mathematica and it'll translate them through for you, which is really handy. So maybe I'll help you out with this question and show you a little couple tips and tricks on Mathematica. So Mathematica is really nice, I think, because it allows you to do things that you normally would just do by hand or in a clunky editor, but you can do them on the computer here, and it treats them really nicely. Wolfram's done a good job with that in Mathematica. So to make a fraction, first off, we're going to hold Control, and this is for a Mac or a PC. Hold Control and then /, and that gives us, as you can see, this. Let me see if I can make that bigger. How do I zoom in Mathematica? Down here. Yeah, that's probably a little easier to see. In fact, I'll make it even bigger. So if I hit Control /, that gets me this fraction bar, and then I can put in what I'm given, the 6.25, and then I'll just put slug there. And then on the bottom side, I can put the 1, and it's cubed, so to put in a cube symbol, I hold Control 6. And so it's Control 6, and then I can put cubed, and then just arrow over to get down out of the superscript. And then I can put feet, and those are also Control 6 to get superscript, cubed, and then arrow over to get down. And then I'm going to multiply that by whatever it is that's my conversion factor for slugs so I guess I should slow down. So what I want to do here is I want to get out of slugs and out of cubic feet and into some metric unit of mass and a metric unit of volume. So I'll start with the top, I'll start with the numerator, and slugs are a unit of mass in the English system. So if I look up, I just use Google and looked up slug to kilogram, because a kilogram is a metric unit of mass, then I get that you can see it up here where I worked the problem before, 1 slug is equal to 14.5939 kilograms. But I have to think here when I set up the fraction, so I'll hit Control / to get the fraction again. Where do I want to put the kilogram and where do I want to put the slug? Well, I want to put them on whichever side of the fraction will make it cancel the slug up here because I don't want the slugs anymore. Sorry if this is review for some of you. It's okay. So I'm going to put the slug on the bottom. I'll say 1 slug down here. And then I'll put the other part of the conversion factor, the 14.5939 kilograms, up here. So if we remember basic fractions, the slug's going to cancel out with the slug, leaving us with now kilograms per cubic feet, which is great, but we don't want feet in there. So metric measurement for feet is meters, and you can see already up here, I've put the conversion factor up there. So let's hit Control / and we get the fraction, and now same thing. What do I put where? Well, I want because I can put this either way, right? The 1 cubic foot per 0.3048 cubic meters, cubed cubic meters, can be on top or on bottom because it's just a special 1, right? I can flip it either way. So I need to orient it so that it will cancel out what I don't want. And I don't want the feet cubed, and I do want the meters cubed. So I'll put 1 and then Control 6 to get the superscript, cubic foot, arrow down to get out of that, foot, and Control 6, 3. So that's 1 cubic foot cubed. And then on the bottom, I'm going to put the 0.3048, but it's cubed. So I Control 6, then cube, then arrow over, and then meters, and again Control 6, like that. And the reason I have to cube both of these is because my units are cubed. I can't just cube the units, I have to cube the value as well. So when I come over here now to evaluate all this, you'll notice what should happen is the slugs should cancel out because there's one slug on the top part of this and one slug on the bottom, and the cubic feet should also cancel out. So I've got a cubic foot unit on the bottom and a cubic foot unit on the top. So I should just be left with kilograms per cubic meter. So to have it evaluate in Mathematica, we hit Shift Enter. So Shift Enter, and you'll notice it does just that. It says it evaluates everything for us and gets 3221.12 kilograms per cubic meter, which is great. And then we say, wait, but they want the answer in this 3.22 megagrams per cubic meter. Well, how would we do that? We do multiply. So that's just Shift 8 to get multiply. Now I want megagrams. How does megagrams relate to kilograms? Megagrams is Control / megagrams to kilograms. I want kilograms in the bottom. So megagrams is 1,000,000 grams. Kilograms is only 1,000 grams. So there are 1,000 kilograms in 1 megagram. So those should cancel out. And now if we do this, we do Shift Enter. Look at that. I've got 3.221 megagrams per cubic meter. Ta-da!